Hello. Yeah, live here. Hey, just wanting your guys' opinion on my car, Christina. This is Christina here. So, yeah, just want an opinion on about the exhaust. I want it to be louder. So either straight pipe it, or do I just take the muffler off and put a straight pipe from there? Any opinion would be great. I'll actually show you what I've got underneath, eh? So there's the shotgun exhaust. And all I've got is this small muffler. And whatever you can see under there. So it's got two hot dogs in the middle, which are just two Kobe's resonators, if you want to call them. And right up front is actually the catalytic converters. Do I take them out? Do I leave them? Or do I get rid of that and replace it with a straight piece of pipe that goes all the way through? Please leave a comment. Now the struggle is getting back up. There we go. So yeah, so if you want to leave a comment and give me some options, that'd be great. Other than that, have a great night, guys and girls and ladies, and yeah, have fun. Here's Christina once again.